Hi Bella, this is Bella right here. The trainers were kind enough to make sure that that it is in fact, she still is the smallest full-grown one. So she's not as small as the newer born, but she's her full size now. But she's easy to spot in a way because she's very beautiful. They themselves think she has a particularly beautiful face, and she is the smallest adult in this pool right now anyway, and she's already been making some of her, what they call her signature whistle for me as she goes by. So I think I always feel so much better in my healing, like I get a boost in healing, rehabilitating from the spine injury when I get to visit with her. And so I absolutely believe that's part of the reason is the sound she makes to interact and to help have a healing effect. But if we're lucky, she'll come close enough and we could get that to be able to hear on the recording.
Oh yeah! That's the daddy.
They really are all beautiful, but I have a favorite. Admittedly, I do. We're not nearly as interactive when A, the trainers are not by the pool, and B, no one else with bright gloves like the trainers wear by the pool. I'll have to remember to wear bright gloves for next time, especially they might have something to say about it if it's summertime, but I think we could definitely pull that off at Christmas time, this time of the year. Make sure my winter gloves are bright colored gloves for the dolphin visits. A nice, harmless way to encourage more interaction. Well, God bless everyone. There's a helicopter coming overhead. That's like the opposite of a soothing sound. So I'm going to shut this off for now. And wishing everyone a very happy